Hi everyone! We have done so many CNTC shows together. Most of you have attended my nail super sessions. This year we'll be doing the Edmonton Extreme Nail Session. In this full day of coaching, you will learn and practice the fastest sculpting techniques, advanced nail art and fast salon designs with Swarovski stones.
And for the first time in Alberta, we'll be adding the business knowledge. For those of you who haven't met me, my name is Vitaly Fedorchuk, and I'm the VP of Marketing at Magic Gel System. Before I joined the company, I was running a full-time marketing consulting agency with clients ranging from small startups to Richard Ivey Business School and Walmart Canada. During the Edmonton Extreme Nail Session, I will be teaching you how you can get more Instagram followers and exposure. And at the end, we'll go over some of the expansion strategies you should use to take your business to the next level. You will leave this class with all the knowledge you need to boost your nail business. Each one of you will also get a folder full of nail and business guidance you can refer to for years to come. Reserve your spot today at www.magicgel.ca/Edmonton while spots are still available.
We are excited to see you all at the Edmonton Extreme Nail Session.